Welcome everybody to the Growcast Show episode number 5. And today we have something new. Today we've got something special. As you can see, all the props in front of me on Growcast Show episode 5. I've got a very special guest. And as you can see, she is also the senior hair expert, Miss Zulaika Zulu. She is the founder of the Scalp Shop Singapore. And Zulaika, I always like to start with my favorite question, which is, what does being better than normal mean to you?
Okay, thank you so much, first of all, to invite me. Such a amazing setup and all those things. And I'm really feeling very special. So, better than normal is always inside everyone. But the thing is, we don't see it. So, when I realize this from the various perspective in my life, so it seems like it's me. And then anybody come to me, it seems like, oh, they can be much, much better by doing small little things. So for me, it's everyone is much, much, much better than, normal. But then the thing is, they need to see. Just a little thing will make the difference. Very big differences, actually.
I totally agree. The little things makes the big difference, right? And Zulaika, like you said as well, everyone is better than normal. So tell us a bit about yourself. What makes you better than normal?
Okay, when I was a young kid, so that's sort of my story where this inspiration start. So inspired by art and created by science. This is my favorite tagline for my business and work and my profession, come passion actually. When I was 13 years old, so my mom bring me for a haircut. So this lady was an assistant of hairstylist assistant. So she, the main lady was not there. So this lady came and then she started cutting my hair. I can feel, something is wrong, but being a child, I was like, I can't say anything, but I can feel that there's something gonna be really very bad. And it happened. And the haircut was so pathetic. And haircuts take months to, grow. Hair take in they grow. So that bring me to this point that nobody should get this terror from the stylist, you see. The stylists are the one who touch your heart, not that. This is actually now I learned quite a lot. That time I was not that level, but the feeling of bad thing happen was like a trauma. So when I come back to home, whenever I see the mirror and it's like, when this hair will grow? Because I'm a Muslim, so I can cover my head. How about those who can't cover their hair? What they have to do? They have to just keep it like that. So that was my first thing that I should become better. And then I have to learn these things. So I started looking the sources. What can I do? And I don't want to disturb anybody, like cut their hair anyhow, because this is a technique. And it comes over the years, because hair cutting is one thing is very carefully we need to do. That's how I was being traumatized by the person. And she was there for quite some time. I have seen her. She been seeing the things happening. So for me, for a little brain and for little ideas, it was like a very big thing. But I have this will, because it can change somebody's face from bad to worse to very nice and very happy moment, joyous moment when they get a nice haircut. They look at them, wow, Zulu, this is what I wanted always. And it's like, okay, that's it. So this better than normal feeling came that we all have this feeling inside. What is that? Sometimes it's an accident, sometimes incident, sometimes some kind of a small thing can change our mind to a very, bring to this new dimension of our ideas and feelings and emotions. This all count actually.
Totally. I agree with you as well. And Zulu, tell us a little bit more about your origin story. I mean, after hearing what happened to you, I feel the pain when you're sharing that story. But tell us a bit more. How did Zulaika Zulu get started?
Okay, myself is Zulaika Zulu. So when you say Zulu, many people think it's from Africa or what. Sometimes some customers say, Zulu. I said, no, not that Zulu. So Zulaika, my name, and Zulaika name a bit complicated for many, so they cannot pronounce properly. Always my name is being pronounced wrongly. So this Zulu come from that Zul and you. So whenever I see somebody in trouble to get some haircuts or get some beautification, something, so it feels like it's me. So Zul and you, I alone cannot do to myself, right? I need to make somebody happy. So I need to be with them, be their shoe. So that's how the idea came from Zulu style. Zul, you and style. So that's how it's a short form of Zulu. So that's very popular. Afterwards, my years of, I started with freelancing, and then many of the reviews started from the first haircut service in Singapore as a freelancer. So there was about 300 plus reviews straight down the stream, because that time, Orkut days. So from there, I started the styling perspective. I start with the cut, which I was very badly damaged. That's what the time I start picking up the idea of styling. Then I created a company, Zulu Style. So Zulu Style was all the way about styling, color, cut, keratin, and I bring the safest treatments, which is my 7 years old daughter. When she was 7 years old, now she's 15. So I did for her some hair treatment, which was super safe. So afterwards, after 7 years, I come up with this idea. One of my supplier brings some scanner. You see this, the scanner. We can show this time. So this scanner thing was a great big eye opener. And to be very honest, I was not at all interested to check my scalp, because in my assumption that I am a stylist, everything is done wonderfully for me. I no need anything kind of, for what I need to see this scalp and all. I'm the stylist, So then he say, because I'm a learner, as I want to share this, that I love to go into the deep down there and ask what is, I ask a lot of questions. So later I have one big question for you also. Don't worry. So this question was I asked why I need to check my scalp. Then I say, I'm using everything very nicely. You are such a good supplier. You have a best product, and which is award-winning products, and my service also very famous. What for I need to go for this scanning and hair growth, and everybody don't want this. People are afraid of checking their scalp, and they have a phobia of getting into the packages and all those things. My one is straightforward. Styling, the cut, set, go. So they are very happy. What for I need to take this kind of thing? Say, Zulu is for this, my dear, not for this. So this scanner, this machine is for this. So when he said this, I say, what is this? He said, okay, come, I tell you what is this. So when the moment he put the scanner, I saw some white thing there, and I was like very, I say, I never washed my hair 3 days already, so I want to wash my hair. I say, okay, go wash. And I tell my girl, I don't want to get this stuff and all, please wash nicely. The moment she washed nicely and I sit down, he put the scanner, worse, because all the fluffy stuff get, more obvious, because it was dried and it was in the surface. So that was the time I realized that, oh yeah, he's very right. Whatever product I'm using for hair, and in the market also, you see, is all about hair, oily hair, dandruff hair, anti-hair loss. So that was my big eye opener when he touched the scanner. So it was about 7 years ago. So you can imagine how many people I must have touched the hair. And then I become like a kind of a hair baba now, hair Sami. So we can connect this. So
yeah, of course.
This is what you see. It can be a 6 years old child hair, and it can be 80 years old person. In between, we all have something like that. Our frontal part or our back part or our sides or something, you see. So that's what I realized, that we all no need to go somewhere and touch the scanner and then I open only. So I keep on learning towards it. I start looking forward towards the studies for the specialized in scalp skin. So that's where my quest started. I go to everywhere. I go to biggest expos to the smallest expos, and I check what can I do for learning about scalp. So there was a 2 years course for being a trichologist. So it feels like very boring to me, because afterwards we all only will sit in the cabin and take care of those who don't have hair anymore. So that was a very, very, and that stage is very sad. And I must say it's like emotional also, because anybody come to for hair growth, they have already very big stretch of time, which they have wasted actually. So I realized this by getting some kind of machinery who can cleanse the scalp. So, but still, you guys are dependent on us. You have to book appointment. You have to take the time, which is getting over the time expensive and time taking, and then the big setup and all required for that. But I still manage because I'm not the person who go just for the one old school setups. So what I did, I bring the styling and the scalp together. So when my client come, they don't have to go anywhere. Like they don't have to go specifically for the texture. They don't have to go. That's where I learned that the scalp cleansing is no enough when you go somewhere, and that was my big eye opener, that I come up to all these ideas of this. So myself is from Pakistan. Actually, I born in Pakistan, Karachi, and I all the while until my age of 28, I was in Pakistan, Karachi, and I was working in computer hardware, not the anything related to beauty and hair. But as I shared earlier, 13 years, the inspiration was there. So I was being uh, every weekend or whenever the webinar, I will ask my boss one question only: can I go and attend in seminar and come back? And they all know this girl is crazy for learning. So they always supported me very well. Thank you for that time. I must thanks to all of my whoever was around me, and they give me chance to go. Ja Simran apni zindagi ji le type of thing. So when I came first time in Singapore, so here I saw, I came for social visit actually with my brother. Then I was staying here a month. So I was roaming around here, there. So I saw this school, this Pivot Point school. It's where I done my diploma cert. So I saw this was next to my house there, and it was very expensive that down there itself. So they have some promotion offer they were relocating from one area to another. So that's where they have a 50% straight off for all the courses. So then I shared this to my brother, and he knows that I am very, very fond of learning. So he enrolled me, he sponsored me. That's how I came here in Singapore, and I learned my first diploma done completely from Singapore itself. Then I go back. Then somebody matchmake for my marriage, and then after maybe a few months, I was again in Singapore. Then I wanted to start from somewhere, you see. So I cannot just go and do one haircut to anyone. Then I posted in a group, but there is an Indian women's group, large group of a large number of women was there from all over the Singapore, India, America, everywhere. Whoever associated to Singapore's, they have working here, their husband, spouses are here. So they were there actually. So they are the one where I posted this question: who want a haircut? So many inquiries came. Yes, me. So that was my first question for my hairstyling side. So everyone wanted a haircut. So then I created a small package like this. So I used to go home and I deliver the service to them. Then I started with the smaller outlet I took, because there was no enough. Myself was no enough for people. So I take a small place in Little India. Then I take another slightly bigger, was no enough. So that's how at one time I have 7 outlets in all over the Singapore. That's I share that it's not easy for one person, but I did it somehow. And everybody always, whoever take my service, they go and write reviews. That's where I learned that throughout this journey, what all people need is there is a need and desire. So that's where I learned that there is a need and desire can be completed one place if they do themselves. So that's the today I am. And I was been working all the experiences, all the expertise I collectively take. Then the main one of the biggest reason to today's achievement is I believe in there is no failure, only feedback. So this feedback for my service also, I getting all the while, you see. So that's where I am connected. And today I am here to speaking with you. So all the responses, feedback, symptom, and all I collaborated in one line. There is no failure, only feedback.
I love that, Zulu. And I think you should actually become a speaker, because I think you've got an amazing story and you've got lots of knowledge and ideas to share as well. Tell us a bit more, Zulu, about who are some famous celebrities that you have worked with.
Okay, celebrities all the while with me, because I was in Little India's vibrant area, and somehow I feel unique because I'm, as being Pakistani, they all believe that Pakistani makeup is a bit more, unique. Because so always organizers will look for me because my service is based on what exactly they need. So they know when they will go to Zulu, there will not be any hiccups, any complaints, and all those. And all the celebrity, I must say here also, they are very nice people. Sometime the organizer will say, oh, this person is a bit, so I was when we sit down and we talk, it's like a family. So number of celebrities I work for, Javed Akhtar, Shabana Azmi, Rahul Bose, and all those stars who was here. Then we had I bring amazing skin product. So it was a big support for charity bus event. It was happened in 2017 in Singapore, and it was many stars was there. Today's number one top stars like Abhishek Bachchan, Ranbir Kapoor, few stars are there, very top notch stars. They are not like a small thing. So then over the time, local stars, I have worked with local stars also, celebrities. And there are celebrities who are associated with their feedback. They love my service and they talk about it. So there's a Madam Sri Devi, she's a dancer and she's running a non-profit organization also, her studio. And she's a very big supporter in a way that because she knows many people, schools and the teachers and the parents. So she has a very big reach of women, and all of them and all of us are having this big or small issue related to hair. So she has her own sweet experience with me. So she just share and then she's promoting this awareness. Actually, we are not promoting a product. So this tagline also worked very well with us, that we don't sell products. There is no, of course, we need to use something liquid and it's become product, but it's under solution. So that's clean, cure, grow eventually is the solution of products other than the one, many products is a one product of solution.
And Zulu, tell us a bit more. What's the difference between washing your hair and washing your scalp?
Okay, so I have a question. You've been asking me many questions. Now I will ask one question. Do you wash your hair or head?
I think I wash my hair.
Your hair. So how about your head, the scalp?
Automatically, it washes.
Okay,
by the way.
so when you don't have face wash, is automatically your shampoo will wash your face?
No.
So then how it can wash automatically your
Yeah.
scalp?
Yeah.
So that means you never
thought
wash
about it.
in the life you
Yeah.
didn't wash your scalp. Agree on this,
Yeah.
because I was not aware also.
True, very true.
For me, I was using the best products, mesmerizing fragrances, quality is so high, and it's available for me right here. People are there to serve me, but not for my scalp. It was only for my texture. So that's the biggest difference, that you don't wash your scalp. That's why I created the Scalp Shop Singapore. And why Singapore? Because this is an island. We think that we are coming from various part of this world. So majorly I've been serving Indian clients. So they have this feeling, oh, we don't put oil. That's why the hair become like this. That's why the hair dropping. My mom keep on saying put oil, but we are not doing any oiling here. So then I say, okay, first thing you cook what you put in a pot. Indian biryani, everything, masalas, all number one thing is oil. And then the secretion and sweat and sebum is so strong here because of the humidity. So the level of humidity is way higher. The layers of sebum secretion, as you say, you didn't wash entire life. So how it will clean? And there's a claim from the various people are claiming that the product works. But how this product will work? If it's not make specifically for certain things, it's make for one symptom. Then how about other symptoms? They all are a part, is a part of skin. So that's where I would highlight here. You see, this is a part of skin. So you don't have only one thing to tackle. What is various options available is for styling, making it soft, making it clean, oily hair, dandruff hair, anti-hair loss. So where is the clean? So I come up with this idea of clean, cure, grow, because the machine was for cleaning. Today's date, I have scrapped all the machine. I don't have any machine which can help you to clean because you can do it yourself. So that's my question. And then that question is actually having its answer itself. So you have not washed. So you have not washed, you have to wash first. So you have to clean first, right? So that's the number one thing you have found yourself. This answer is always, I say in the every question have answer itself. So you have found your answer. You wash your hair or hair, you say hair. So how about the scalp? So that's what I have, the solution. And this solution over the years, over the decades, available only in a people mind, in assumption, everything is that this solution is well found in a shop. This solution for my problem is found only in the clinic. This solution will found only when I will make some effort. So that was my very first thing, that when we wake up, what we do? We wash our face, we wash our body, we wash our hair, which is shampoo form. But how about the scalp? So we should have a scalp wash. So that's where I created Reset Scalp Wash. Can you see this name?
Yeah, tell us a bit more.
How the name?
I like it. So maybe Zulu, you can share with us a little bit more about what is the Reset Scalp Wash.
Okay, so when your computer get hang, what do you do?
Off it.
Then off. After that, what?
Restart it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you restart. You don't off and go and drink coffee tea. No, because you need to work. You need to get this growth happen. You need to be fresh. You need to get the cycle. Actually, hair is very much of misunderstood by styling only. You actually need a growth. That's your logos say grow. So this grow is the main goal. We do not have to style them or style them is 100%. No, the grow. When it grow only, then you can style. If you don't have a nice growth, it will not style. That you can't do anything about it. If it's full of the dandruff, bacteria, germ inside, and when you, because nose is not close to your head. Your armpit, yes. Your body odor you can feel, but nose cannot detect the anything happening on our scalp. That's why we are very laid back. The moment we got this solution in a shampoo, it clean oiliness, we feel relaxed. But actually, no. Maybe this liquid also is stuck there where this hair is coming out. So we don't feel it. Our nose can feel our hair smell and we are very relaxed. But underlying problem. So this scalp reset wash is all about cleaning the secretion, layers of secretion. So layer of secretion cannot be washed from the fingers and just like that with any 1, 2, 3 shampoo. Not even from the detoxification. Because detoxification also to not to become oily your hair from the product liquid which is contains medicine inside. Starch maybe. So that's why a lot of people complain whenever you use scalp product, it dries our hair texture. So then you need to go and get another conditioning material. So in this Reset Scalp Wash, we don't need nothing. We don't have to go use conditioners, softeners, detoxification, oil control, this and that. No. But it's been years down there. So then what can remove gently? So one thing very best about my Clean Cure Grow, there are 2 USPs, very unique, mind-blowing actually. Because this what is everyone look for. Over the 15 years of my service here and previously I was doing in Pakistan also, almost 25 years you can say in this service industry and niche-based meetup, like people, whoever I meet, they have many things to say. So all of them are stuck on one thing, which is clean portion. So this secretion of layers of secretion and down there, your need is after very long time only this flaky scalp will come and flex will come here. How about the layers there? Since young age you have this desire to grow hair is always there. And clean hair always there. Because they see the symptom only, they will ask. So I have come up with this idea of bring it into the one go. And the most important thing I was talking about is the safety. No matter what product you're going to go get, you see where it's from. So that's why I choose the word shop. Whenever you go to shop, you take the things and you are very happy and bring. You don't have to sit with the consultant. You don't have to make the appointments. You don't have mindset that, oh, I'm gonna get some I have to do efforts. So I made it effortless. This is effortless product which I have worked over the years. And 12 years, not a small timing when you are sitting in the humid environment. There people come, they're getting styling, they're getting cure, they're getting clean. So machinery I was dependent. So when I was dependent, I cannot do anything for outside my four walls.
Zulu, who are you looking to help and how do you help them?
Okay, this is actually the charity begins from the home. So I have my beautiful 3 kids. So 2 girls with very thick hair and started with their actually trial and errors and stuff like that. So it's for all. This I won't say that there is one saying that home is not a place, it's a feeling. So this feeling come from my home and I want to give to everyone. So how the mothers have this concern, oh, must my child have best one. So I put up everything into my this clean, cure, grows arrangement. And then it's for all, men, women, kids, regardless of race, religion, age or gender, because anatomy is same. So we it's for all.
Very nice. And thank you so much, Zulu, for sharing with us about the Scalp Shop Singapore. And we look forward to having you another time. For now, that was episode 5 of the Growcast Show. And I will see you real soon for episode 6, episode 7, episode 8 as well. See you, everybody. Have a good, better than normal day ahead.